Hey everybody, John from Byrider here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. I just want to take a minute and show you guys a little bit of vehicle maintenance, something that's important to do on every vehicle, especially the ones you own. So one of the things you always want to do is you want to check your fluid levels. So for instance, this is our 2012 Ford Focus. I showed you guys this vehicle in a previous advertisement type of video telling you why it was one of my favorite vehicles. This is a manual transmission 2012 Ford Focus. It's my favorite car on the lot, so I figured I'd show you how to check fluids on this one. So to check your oil, you take the dipstick all the way out, make sure it's clean, make sure you got no gunk on it, because you want a nice clean reading, and you put it in this hole, pull it back out, and you're going to see a little notch where it says whether you need to add or if you need to leave it alone. If you're good, you won't have to do anything. This one is totally fine. Not surprised, our service guys here at Byrider know what they're doing. But in your personal vehicle, you always want to check it. Other things you want to check on your vehicle, this is brake fluid. Now every car, it's in a different spot, different area. You always want to make sure your brake fluid is full. You have a little line on the actual, it's on the actual, like the holder of it, what's it called? The container, yeah, the container. Sorry guys, I'm from Nebraska, I'm a redneck. We have weird terms for everything. But you want to make sure that's on the line. Another one you want to check, washer fluid and coolant level. Those are both right here. So we're good on both. So maintaining your vehicle, making sure your fluids are all properly filled up is going to maintain your vehicle life, and it's going to just make everything just better all around. So if you're looking for a vehicle with well-maintained fluids and it's ready to go and with an awesome service contract, come on down to 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin, or give us a call, 920-455-7788. We'd love to see if we can get you in a vehicle and get you driving. Have a great day.